Tricia, I know it's important when you're planting seeds to space them properly, but how important is the depth that you plant the seeds?
Oh, Danny, the depth is actually, I think, almost more important than the spacing. You know, in spacing, if you've crowded them too much, all you're going to do is divide them. But if you don't plant them at the right depth, they may not germinate at all.
Oh, I see. Okay, and different seeds, different depths.
At different depths.
Uh-huh.
Well, you know, you being in construction for so long, I'm sure you use your body as a measuring tool, probably to your waist. You know,
Right.
it's so many inches, and you put your arm span out at so many feet.
Well,
right?
that's true. That's true.
Well, the same thing with a garden. We carry a tool around with us all the time, and that is our finger.
Okay.
Well, a rule of thumb, if you will, is that to your fingernail it's about a ½ inch, to your first knuckle is an inch, to your second knuckle is 2 inches.
Okay, that makes sense.
So what we need to do, of course, with any seed is to look at the back of the bag and see. Here it says planting depth 1 inch, spacing is 4 inches.
Okay.
So if I want to measure these nice beets, yummy, I'm going to go to my 1 inch, my knuckle, and space them. You know, if I use this is about 3 inches, is
Right.
space them right about 4 inches apart at 1 inch, and I'm going to be all set.
Okay, I see. So basically it's a handy tip.
Oh, Danny, so true.